Yeah, that's the jam right there.
Now I'm on. If you gon' hit me, just blow up my phone. Nigga be busy, I'm building my throne. Crested with the baby ass diamonds and crystal. I got a feeling all. Feeling in feelings replacing the hope. Get a lot of dope, Amazon for the
you already
coat.
know what it is. D.U.B. I don't have to say much more. It's something I ain't came with in a long time. Let me fix the light. Hold on. It's something I ain't came with in a real... No, I don't like that light. Hold on. It's something I ain't came at y'all with, you know what I'm saying? And since I started YouTube, back to my viewers who was watching 2-3 years ago, y'all know I used to do everything on the YouTube. I used to just record stuff. Well, we back. We are definitely back. Anyways, man, y'all, as you can see by the title, man, we got TikTok edition. Try not to laugh. And the title is TikToks that make me wheeze part 6. If I start wheezing, man, they have succeeded. You know what I mean? Because that's the expectation that they have given themselves. You know what I'm saying? You the one said that makes me wheeze. So now I'm trying to start wheezing. I'm trying to be like, you know what I'm saying? I don't want this to be boring, my nigga. I'm trying to have full fun with this video. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, y'all, so I did some of my research. You got to do research when you're looking for certain videos to react to, right? And the first comment I see on this one is, not gonna lie, I don't usually watch TikToks, but these are not gonna lie, I don't usually watch TikToks, but these are definitely... Not gonna lie, I don't usually watch TikToks, but these are genuinely pretty hilarious. Elmo's That's Terrible made me absolutely lose it. 453, underrated clip. I've been absolutely dying for 5 minutes. Yo, that is great, man. I didn't even read those. That is great. So anyways, y'all see that it's a good review. You know what I'm saying? And now I'm trying to give it the review that I need. I will not fake none of my reactions. It's my first time seeing this shit. Y'all gonna get the first and genuine reaction. You know what I'm saying? And I had to check the reviews just to see what it was about. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm trying to give it my Doublemmk 4 review. Without further ado, man, let's get right to it.
I'm going on Omegle.
Omegle?
I'm never going on Omegle again. Oh my God. Well, let me get this straight. You think that killing those guys is funny?
I do. And I'm tired of pretending it's not.
Hey, can I borrow a pencil? Oh, I'm so sorry. This is my only one right now. I'm sorry about that. So sorry. That is so weird. Where did that come from?
2 pence. I'm getting
He was lying out his ass.
Oh my God, I'm so excited to watch the Grunch musical.
I thought he was gonna get up and do the dance. That wasn't even funny, yo. If he got up and did that, then it would have been funny.
You don't belong in the traffic
Let me see your identification. Absolutely, citizen.
Oh no, yeah.
Good.
Oh my gosh. Whoa. You gonna...
Let's calm down. Let's calm down.
What is your favorite celebrity interview moment?
Now, the problem is because you go up the bridge and you're up there for a little while, so you're not allowed to go to the bathroom. So you have to go before you go, because if you need to go while you're up there, you're in trouble. Where's your...
Cece, Elmo wears no clothes, so you just go.
That's Elmo.
You know what color yellow and red makes? Orange. That's terrible.
Very disappointed. I've only watched 5 minutes. It has 8 million views. 214,000 likes. And I have not cracked a smile.
If we see orange fur, I think that's all we need to do.
I'm supposed to be wheezing.
Oh, you know what you should do? You should go to the opera. You should go to the opera house. I would love to see you at the opera house because I would pay to see you.
What were you doing?
It's making TikTok.
Oh God, I'm so embarrassed of you.
Oh, it's for TikTok.
Mila, get over here! Mila, no!
Hey, I had a question. I had a question. What? I had a question.
Yeah, that same dude with the
What's
pencils.
problem? I don't really understand the wording. Okay, let's see. Which one? This one? Yeah. It says, who is geography? What do you think that means? It doesn't make sense. Like, how can geography be anyone? Okay, you're close. You're close. Isn't this a math test? Keep thinking about that. Keep thinking about that.
Well, I'm leaving the store and I'm checking out because I bought a drink for myself, and the lady goes, "Do you need a bag?" And in my head, I say these two things at the same time. I'm good and I'm okay. I look this poor woman dead in the eyes and go, "I'm gay." She had, what are you supposed to say to that? What the fuck, what am I supposed to say? What is she supposed to say? And I just said nothing. I just left this, I literally said nothing. I paid and I left. I had the courage to come out to this woman in public and she said nothing. It reeks of homophobia.
Hey, you know what? You know what? That was pretty funny. That was a little entertaining right there.
The 10 Commandments.
Hi, come in. Hi, yeah, Miss Sanders told me you came to see me because you feel a bit depressed. Oh. Yeah. Well, what I do when I'm depressed is I love to smile. Have you tried smiling more? No? Okay. I've got this leaflet if you'd like to take it. Yeah. Oh, you know what, actually, I think I might just have just the thing for you. Give me a second.
Yeah, that's the jam right there.
It's as big as my schlong. I really don't need you at this, so you're ugly and disgusting. Well, I have a proposition for you. If you, I don't want to hear it. Bye. If you say, I'll give you some Gucci. What did you say? I said I'll give you some Gucci. I'm not interested. Goodbye. Farewell. Oh, he makes me so mad. What am I gonna do, Rihanna? Get him married, Gucci. Wait. Let me think.
Ah, see?
Yes! 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 How does he always get it? How does he always know?
Man, I deal with this shit at work every day.
Sir? What? Are you okay?
Roses, a red this up is fun.
Describe yourself in 5 words. One hot motherfucking nun.
So somebody posted this picture of Noah Centipede.
Alright. Y'all, I definitely passed this because it's 43 minutes long and I'm not finna watch that long. You know what I'm saying? It did not make me laugh. It made me smile, but this, no, my nigga. 8 million views. 8 million views. That means I should have 1 million, bro. Share this, bro. I should have 1 million views. 8 million views. I'm not even asking for near as much as they got. I just know that they got 8 million, but I need 1 million. You know what I'm saying? Y'all go check out EXK, you know what I'm saying? Exclusivecode.com right up there. Go run up my Instagram, you know what I'm saying? Check out the new EP, you already know. Favorite song, The Truth, if you're interested. Go check out the latest reaction to NBA YoungBoy, you already know. And y'all, if you're new to the channel, man, like, comment,
keep doing your shit.
and subscribe.
Might need a tip. That was
And I'm
she cause that was she kiss. Girl, I ain't going nowhere, don't dismiss. Hit from the back, pull her hair, she go crazy, nigga. She gon' miss me tonight. She gon' miss me tonight, yeah.